Hi! Today I'm going to show you the brand new feature of Eyeson. You can now stream any publicly available streams directly into your Eyeson video meetings. To do that, you need to visit this webpage. Here you can see a step-by-step description of the feature. First, you need to start an Eyeson meeting. In the meeting, click on the Guest Join button in the left toolbar and copy the link. You can also simply use the shortcut Shift+I to do this. As a side note, you can see your up and download rates here in the right menu bar. The Eyeson Cloud MCU Plus combines all the incoming videos, audio plus data into one single stream. This keeps the bitrates constant while going easy on your CPU. Now go back to the live streaming demo page and paste the link here. After joining the meeting as a live stream, you simply need to choose one of the provided public live streams. Now you can adjust the volume of the stream and change the layout of the video call. You can also add a custom link of an HLS or Dash-based stream, or simply switch among the provided streams. If you're going to watch a long movie with your colleagues or family, each of you can switch to the dark mode here. Disclaimer: all streams are publicly available. We are not responsible for the content and we don't guarantee that streams are working all the time. Thanks for watching! If you need more information about Eyeson, just get in touch with us.